While waiting for our candidate number 3, I would like to move on to participants.
So, what happened? That time kasi, chill lang ako kasi gusto ko ma-experience lang ni Miyagi yung contest at mag-enjoy lang siya. But, I texted everybody na sabi ko, parang kinakabahan ako for Miyagi. It's because I know his dad's personality na mahiyain, introvert, or hindi naman may stage fright, kumbaga ayaw ng spotlight. So sabi ko, naisip ko lang, baka nakuha yun ni Miyagi sa daddy niya. But then again, I still trust Miyagi. So kahit naman anong mangyari din, at the end of the day, si Miyagi pa rin naman yun, ang aking only love. So I stayed at the front. Excited na ako manood ng first solo performance niya. Talagang ready na ang camera at all. At ayun na nga, tama ang intuition ko na parang nga talagang kinabahan si Miyagi, lalo na pangalawa kasi siya na magpa-perform. So I think he's not ready yet. But as per his dad, marami daw talagang sinasabi si Miyagi na ayaw niyang gawin. Like ayaw niya ng magkaroon ng box na props, ayaw niya ng whistle. Pero wala siyang sinasabi na ayaw niyang mag-perform. So naguguluhan yung daddy niya if tutuloy ba si Miyagi or not. But when I get to the backstage, kinausap ko ng konti si Miyagi, nagkulitan lang kami, and then pinanood niya yung other candidates na mag-perform. And then, that's it. Sabi niya sa akin, gusto niya daw na siya yung last na performer. So, sige, pinagbigyan natin. And yes, he performed. I'm so proud of my Miyagi. Kahit na na-culture shock siya, he did his best. He never backed out, he never cried. Tinuloy niya ang laban. And after the dance, he asked me, "Mami, ang galing ko, no?" Doon ko napatunayan na magaling at matapang talaga si Miyagi. Hindi aatras sa laban kahit nahihirapan na. And I asked him also kung sino pinakamagaling doon sa candidate. Sabi niya, "Syempre ako magaling." So I love the confidence. Sana madala niya to hanggang sa pagtanda niya. So to my Miyagi, magtulungan pa tayo para mag-grow at ma-develop ang isa't isa. So proud na proud ako sa'yo at mahal na mahal ka ni Mommy at Daddy. Good luck tomorrow. I love you so much.